Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate or redeem your gift card on Pixlr. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in pixlr.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Pixlr website. Just click on the sign in button at the top right corner if you haven't signed in already, and then use your credentials. After logging in, you will end back within the home page. Now, if you have a gift card or a redemption code that you would like to redeem or activate within your account, just click on your username at the top, which will now take you into the settings page. Now, within this page, click on the gift card section at the left, and you will now see the redeem your gift card section. Just type in the license key or your gift card redemption code within the given box and then click on the redeem button. You will be able to find this redeem code at the back side of your gift card as shown in the image. After clicking on the redeem button, the card will be redeemed and the reward will be added to your account right away. And now you will be able to use the rewards from your gift card. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to activate or redeem your gift card on Pixlr. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.